Hi everyone, this is Leslie from East Bay Screens. I'm here in Alamo at a customer's house. We've just finished installing a Vista security slider in a very unique application. You can see that's a side door to a house, and they just didn't want to have to deal with a swing door that would make them stick a step back when they entered the house or whatnot. So this is a Vista security slider. It's got 3 locks on the door, top, middle, and bottom. And once it's put in place, it latches and is keyed. So it's a great product. It's burglar proof, and it keeps the dogs at bay. The dogs can scratch at this all day long. You don't have to worry about the screen at all. All right, thanks. Have a great afternoon, everyone.